WordPress websites have potential to be incredibly impactful for your clients, but they require expert management to stand out truly. Most business owners are not web developers, and successfully operating their site can be overwhelming. And in this, there are numerous aspects to consider, from managing content to ensuring security and a lot more. However, this challenge presents a golden opportunity for your business, and that is WordPress maintenance service. Now, these services enable you to elevate the burden on your client's shoulder while establishing a reliable income stream. So in this video, we are going to talk about why you should offer WordPress management services and what to include and how to price it the right way. And along with that, we are also going to introduce to you the one of the best way to manage multiple WordPress websites for your clients using a single dashboard, and that is using Divi Dash. So if all that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. My name is Ankit and you are watching Elegant Themes YouTube channel, the makers of the Divi page builder. Now before we proceed, I would like to mention that all the links, plugins and resources we are going to mention in this video, we have added the links to all of them in the video description below. If you wish to check out any one of them, then you can use the links in the video description below. And if in case you make any purchase using these links, we might earn a little bit of kickback. That is not going to cost you anything extra, but it's going to help us create more helpful and free content just for you. If you want to deep dive in what we are going to cover in this video, we have a complete blog post that you can refer. Again, we are going to leave the link in the video description below, so go ahead and check that out as well. Now, WordPress power as a platform is in its ability to empower its users. It's free, it's open source, and it's very easy to use, and has many plugins and themes and use cases and possibilities. However, with a zillion of plugins and themes and infinite scalability, WordPress website need constant care to work as expected. So maintenance of a WordPress website might include tasks like irregular updates, backups, security checks, and performance optimization. Now, as a freelancer, you might take great pride in your work and always keep your website up to date. But your clients have much more important things to do, running their business of course. So setting up and offering monthly and annual service plan that includes all these tasks allow you to establish a long-term relationship while ensuring ongoing revenue. It enables your clients to invest all their energy into their core business, and this adds stability to your income and allow you to focus on design and development project without constantly seeking new clients. Overall, it's a win-win situation that benefits you and your client. Well, if you are still not sure, then let me give you some compelling reasons to start providing WordPress website management services to your clients. Number 1. Recurring income. Now, if you offer a WordPress website management service, then it ensures a stable and predictable income stream. Unlike one-time project fees, maintenance service guarantee monthly or annual recurring revenue. This steady cash flow stabilizes your business finances, making planning for growth easier and investing in necessary tools or training, or maybe handling slow periods in new project acquisitions. It also reduces the pressure to find new clients, allowing you to focus on delivering quality service to your existing clients. Number 2. Better client relationship. Now, regular website maintenance requires you to keep in touch with your clients regularly. By staying connected, you can build stronger and more meaningful relationships. You become more than just a service provider, you become a trusted partner in their online success. Over the time, you will gain insight into their business goals and challenges, allowing you to offer more tailored and valuable services. Number 3. Competitive advantage. Now, if you look around, the market is crowded with WordPress designers. Offering comprehensive website management services can really set you apart. Many designers only create websites, leaving clients to handle everything post-launch. By providing ongoing support and maintenance, you offer a complete solution. This can be crucial for potential clients before choosing between service providers. It also makes you appear more professional and reliable, allowing you to charge premium rates for your services. Number 4. Improved portfolio. Regularly updated websites make fantastic portfolio examples. These websites show your skill in creating appealing designs and dedication to maintain quality and performance over the time. Potential clients will notice how your work holds up, stays relevant, and continues to support businesses effectively long after the initial launch. This can be especially attractive to other clients seeking a long-term partnership instead of just a freelancer to get their website work done. So what are the services we need to include for WordPress website management? So here are some essential components of a comprehensive WordPress website management package. Number 1. Site maintenance. Now, regular site maintenance ensures your client's website operates smoothly and remains functional. This involves checking website performance, fixing broken links, and optimizing loading speed to ensure user experience. Updating themes and plugins to their latest version prevents security vulnerability and compatibility issue. Maintaining a clean database is also crucial. You can help client remove unnecessary files and spam comments that may slow down the site. Along with that, regular audits allow you to identify and rectify issues before they escalate, ensuring the website remains user-friendly and effective. By including robust maintenance services, you not only prolong the life of your client's website, but it also supports their visibility and reputation in search engines, making it a valuable service in the competitive online landscape. Number 2. Backups. Now, backups are safety net against data loss caused by unexpected errors like server malfunctions, cyber attacks, or accidental deletions. A reliable backup strategy ensures that all your client content, posts, images, and all the settings is securely stored and can quickly be restored. Automated frequent backups, ideally daily or weekly based on the content update frequency, streamline all this process of taking backups. Along with that, storing backups in a multiple locations such as cloud storage provide an extra layer of security. In a disaster, recent backups enable swift recovery, minimizing downtime and data loss while maintaining the integrity of your client's website. Number 3. Security. Now, website security is crucial for any WordPress website, particularly in the light of escalating cyber attacks. Implementing robust security measures can protect clients from various risks, including malware, hacking attempts, and data breaches. Critical practices involve using strong password, two-factor authentication to safeguard your user accounts, and along with that, regularly updating themes and plugins to address any vulnerability. Conducting regular security audits help identify potential weakness before they can be exploited. Number 4. SEO and content. If you have some SEO, copywriting, and content services knowledge, you can significantly enhance your client's WordPress website and add more value to your package. Effective search engine optimization improves visibility in search engine results, attracting potential customers and increasing organic traffic. You may offer to perform keyword research to identify terms that resonate with the target audience and incorporate them strategically into a high-quality content. Creating valuable blog posts, articles, and landing pages enhances SEO and establish authority in the particular niche. Along with that, regularly updating content keep it relevant and encourages return visits from the users. And number 5, designing and development. Moreover, if you offer design and development services for WordPress website, they provide immense value by creating appealing and functional user interface that meets the need of your client and visitors alike. A perfect website is always an ongoing process, and the website may need occasional refreshes based on the data and feedback. A well-designed website reflects the brand's identity while ensuring its intuitive navigation and responsiveness across various devices. Along with that, custom development may be necessary for unique functionality that standard solution cannot provide. And here are the tools you may need for creating a robust service package. Now, offering WordPress website management service requires a solid toolkit to ensure efficient and effective operations. Number 1. Divi and Divi Dash for creating and maintaining WordPress websites. Divi is highly capable choice not just as a page builder but also as an essential tool which no freelancer could miss. Its intuitive visual builder, which does not demand coding expertise, allow you to craft stunning web pages effortlessly. You will also have the access to over 200 design modules, opening up creative possibilities. And if in case you are concerned about your creative abilities, then don't be. Divi boasts an impressive collection with over 2,000 pre-made layouts and many starter sites. You never have to face a blank canvas while starting your WordPress project. Divi truly shines with its theme builder. This powerful aspect lets you control your entire website, fine-tune everything from header and footer details to fully customize blog post templates and archive pages. And that's not it. There is even more to explore. Your Divi membership unlocks advanced tools like Divi Quick Sites and Divi Dash. With Divi Quick Sites, you can generate an entire website by describing your business. This goes beyond basic frameworks, providing complete website with matching content, images, theme builder templates, and code as well. And if you prefer AI-generated design, then no problem. Choose any starter site and let Divi Quick Sites tailor it to your specific needs. Meanwhile, Divi Dash has a central hub for managing all your WordPress website, including your clients. You can easily organize sites by tagging and grouping them by clients. This tool streamlines maintenance tasks like database optimization, updates, and user management, significantly enhancing your website design workflow. Divi Dash comes with your Divi membership and allow you to manage unlimited website in one place. And did I mention it's regardless of whether you are using Divi for those websites or not. And if we talk about the pricing, Divi's price makes it a real steal. For just $89 per year, you get access to all these features and can build unlimited websites including client projects. If you prefer to avoid yearly renewals, a lifetime license is available for one-time payment of around $249. Next tool is Divi AI. Divi AI is an indispensable budget-friendly tool for web designers. It allows you to generate high-quality content, images directly within the editor. You can draft custom code for unique designs that might be challenging with standard modules. The AI can even design entire web page based on detailed prompts. Grammar checks, translations, tone enhancement, and image manipulations are all at your fingertips now. And this versatility extends to expanding images, adding, removing objects, and fine-tuning your writing. And what's more, there are no limit on the text and images you can create or number of websites you can use on it, including your client sites. The ability to produce unlimited tailor-made content across multiple projects make Divi AI exceptionally cost-effective. With Divi AI, you have a multifaceted solution beyond basic AI features, offering a range of tools to enhance your web design and maintenance process. Next tool is Divi Teams for easy collaborations. Revamp your website design process and enhance productivity using Divi Teams. Add and remove team members, clients, and collaborators within the Divi platform. Every member receives their account, ensuring projects run smoothly without delays. You can effectively manage access to services, API keys, and administrative duties with precise permissions. And if we talk about the pricing, if you want to save, you can bundle all Divi products and get Divi Pro for only $277 per year, saving around $390 compared to purchasing them individually. But looking for even more saving? Opt for Divi Pro's lifetime option. While you will pay $297 today, you will get lifetime access to Divi Builder, Divi Dash, Quick Sites, while spending only $212 a year for the rest of the services starting next year. So make sure you check out the link in the video description to know more about Divi and Divi Pro. Along with that, there are other essential tools that you should add to your toolkit, like Updraft Plus for taking on-demand and scheduled backups, WP Rocket for performance enhancement and caching, EWWW Image Optimizer to have some optimized images on your WordPress website, Perf Matters for performance and database optimization, and Solid Security to add a comprehensive site protection. Along with that, you can also add Uptime Robot for monitoring the uptime of your WordPress website. And last but not the least, SiteGround Hosting to resell hosting plans to your clients. Now let's talk about how you can price your WordPress website management services. Now setting price for your WordPress website maintenance service require a little bit of balancing ability and sustainability. You can start by assessing your entire range of services and skills for basic tasks like updating backups to comprehensive packages that includes optimization, content updates, SEO enhancements, and lot more. You need to understand your target market's budget and constraints and analyze competitors' pricing for insights. Your expertise matters, so specialized skills or proven track record can justify your premium rates. Make sure you offer clear tiered package to cater to various needs and budgets, allowing clients to choose the services level that fits their requirements. And make sure you include the ongoing costs like software subscription, hosting fees, and third-party tools in your pricing package. Along with that, make sure you factor in time for client communication and troubleshooting to ensure your pricing structure reflects all aspects of your service. And lastly, stay flexible and open to adjusting prices as per the gain, experience, and expand services. So how to pitch your WordPress website management services to your clients? Pitching WordPress website management services to your clients is crucial in expanding your business offering. So let's take a look at some strategies to communicate the value of ongoing website maintenance to your clients. Number 1. Emphasize importance. Now, many website owners think they can create a WordPress website and forget about it. But that's like buying a car and never taking it for a tune-up. Make them see that websites are dynamic aspects of business. They need regular care. Developers constantly update WordPress themes and plugins to make them faster, safer, and more powerful. If they don't keep their website up to date, they can become slow, look old-fashioned, and can even get hacked. Along with that, make them think of this way. Giving their website regular checkups is much cheaper than waiting until something breaks. A little maintenance now can save them a lot of headaches and money later. Number 2. Highlight the benefits. Now, many clients may hesitate to invest in ongoing website maintenance, seeing it as an unnecessary add-on. So, highlight the immediate financial impacts, including lost sales from website downtime or slow loading speed. Make them understand that there are various studies that shows a 1-second delay can lead to 7% conversion drop, and this is going to cost a sufficient revenue. Number 3. Explain the cost of DIY. Now, make your client understand that professional WordPress maintenance provides them invaluable peace of mind, allowing them to focus on their core business activities without worrying about their website. Doing it themselves requires them to take care of various aspects such as regular security scan, performance monitoring, and staying ahead of updates and compatibility issues. They would need to set up a robust backup and disaster recovery process so their website and data are safe and can be quickly restored. Number 4. Offer tiered or modular pricing. Recognize that your potential clients have a different needs and budgets for WordPress maintenance. By offering tiered services packages, you can cater to a broad range of clients and provide options that match their specific requirements. Start with a basic package that handle essential tasks like core WordPress updates, plugin updates, and regular backups. This can be great entry point for small businesses and those new to professional website maintenance. And then comes the most important point, and that is offer free trials. Offering a free trial for website maintenance service is a strategic approach that yields several benefits. Primarily, it allows potential clients to experience the advantages of your services firsthand without the financial commitment. This reduces the hesitation and it's definitely going to build trust. Additionally, a free trial serves as a platform to demonstrate your expertise and the tangible value your service brings to the website. Your client's website might face security issues or performance drop without proper upkeep. Ongoing website maintenance can bring you extra income and safeguard your client's investments. Plus, it helps you secure repeat business, earn heartfelt recommendations, and keep your web design portfolio top-notch. To make your maintenance service proposal more effective, start by deciding which tasks to offer. Clearly explain the importance of site maintenance in straightforward terms that clients can understand easily. Tailor your pitch for both new and existing customers. Along with that, also calculate the maintenance cost accurately and communicate these expenses. So now you are armed with this knowledge, try including WordPress maintenance in your website design business. I'm confident enough that you will find it rewarding. So go ahead and good luck. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more WordPress videos like this one, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.